Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for a lunchbox that's cute, leak proof and super practical. Let me show you this double June unicorn Bento lunchbox from Famyo. Inside the box you get this adorable unicorn theme Bento lunchbox, a matching water bottle and colorful sticker that kids can use to decorate and personalize their bottle. First, look at this beautiful June unicorn design. It's bright, colorful, and instant grave every child attention. The lunchbox comes with a 4 secure clips locking system that keeps everything tightly sealed. Inside, you will find a premium stainless steel tray that's food safe, durable, and easy to clean. And the 3 compartments help you pack a complete and balanced meal without mixing different food. And here's my favorite feature: lift the stainless steel tray. There's a hidden secret compartment underneath, and perfect for keeping a spoon, tissue, and small snacks, or even little surprise note. After locking all 4 clips, even when I shake it upside down, there's no leakage, and that means your child school bags stay clean and mesh free. And the matching water bottle is lightweight, easy to carry, and BPA-free. And kids can decorate it using this adorable sticker, making it even more fun to use every day. And if you are looking for a lunchbox that's cute, durable, leak proof, and makes lunchbox exciting, this June unicorn bento lunchbox is definitely worth checking out. So guys, make every lunch special with the Famyo June Unicorn Bento lunchbox. Tap the link and grab your today and let your little one enjoy every meals with a smile. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, and more kids friendly product review. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye. Take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.